Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to move email subscribers from Systeme.io to Beehiiv. So, once you are on the dashboard, on the top menu here, click on Contacts. Here you can see the list of all your email subscribers. Now click on Date Registered. Then, on the bottom right here, click on More Actions and go to Export. Select the email column and click on Export. Now, on the top here, you can see that the selected contact will be exported, and you will receive an email link to download the CSV file. And go to Beehiiv. On the left side here, in the dashboard menu, click on Audience and go to Subscribers. Now, on the top right here, click on Import Subscribers. Then click on Start New Import. In Import Method, you can select Copy and paste a list of email addresses and input a list of email addresses here to add email subscribers in bulk. You can also upload a CSV file to add email subscribers in bulk. Now, click on Choose File and upload your CSV file here. Then click on Import Subscribers. Once again, click on Import. Then go back to the subscriber list and you can see that subscribers has been successfully added. If you want to use Systeme.io or Beehiiv for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.